This guy is making me so much money. Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I am on Steam and I have just downloaded, I don't know, The Capitalist, some game. I don't really understand it yet. I just booted it up and I thought I would, try to do a gameplay, and I have no idea what I'm doing, so forgive me. Let's figure this out. So I'm hiring a manager to make life easier. Hire. Oh dang, I'm making some moolah. Alright. Dang. So I'm clicking these buttons and I'm making money. And I need more money to pay other people to do it. Yeah, I think this guy is making me so much money. Dang. Look at this. Clicking buttons to make money. Okay. Come on, click on these, stupid. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, managers. Hire. Sweet. Look at this. 420. Haha. Okay. Oh, okay. We can buy more stuff. Angle investors. Either reset everything to 0 or spend a little gold. I don't know how that works. Ooh, I am making... Wait, okay. Managers. Can't hire him yet. Dang! Okay. Wow! I so don't know what I'm doing. Oh, okay, we're gonna buy a donut shop. Wow. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. All I know is I'm buying stuff and clicking buttons to make money. Perfect. Guys, this is... I don't even know what this game is. It got really good reviews, but I'm literally clicking buttons to make money. Oh my god. Make me money, please. How much does... Pizza deliveries don't even make that much. I'm gonna wait for the donuts. I only need managers. $1.2 million. Hey guys, okay, so, like, oh my. So my thing sort of crashed, like, everything just sort of broke, and I tried to save the footage, which I luckily did, and now, well, I'm gonna keep playing. Beautiful! Buy stuff? No. No, thank you. I'm making some money, guys. $10 million? We have to buy... I did not mean to click on that. Crap! Ugh! I don't. What if I don't want to do this? Fuck. 1 trill? What is this? Ah! Earth dollars to megabucks? One dis... I don't know what this... I don't know what this is. All I know is I can't do anything.